everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here, and we have decided to cancel our annual Black Friday sale. Why? Because I've decided to turn it into a 4-day Black Friday fitness giveaway to say thank you to all of you guys for your continued support and for another amazing year. So for the next 4 days, every single day I'm going to give you guys a brand new gift. All these gifts we have never given you guys before. So there's going to be something here for everybody. Whether you're looking for healthy recipes, workouts, motivational stuff, there'll be something here for you if you are into exercising and eating healthy. So if you want to come and join us for this year's 4-day Black Friday fitness giveaway, just pop over to SixPackFactory.com/BF 2021 and you'll be able to grab today's gift right now, which by the way is 5 of my most favorite plant-based meals. And I'm not a vegan or vegetarian, so you better know when I eat plant-based meals, they're gonna be super tasty. So if like me every now and then you do a meat-free Mondays, or maybe you are a vegan or vegetarian, you can go and grab these 5 of my most favorite plant-based recipes right now today at SixPackFactory.com/BF 2021. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2 and gift 2 of this year's Black Friday giveaway. Until then, bye bye.